instead of a beef Philly, you know, the Eagles are playing, of course, so we're making a chicken Philly, which all the ladies in my family love. For the chicken Philly, we start with a couple of large onions, get them to a very light caramel, sugary, sweet place, and then I add a cup of water to kind of force them along. I've got my griddle getting nice and hot here, screaming hot, cast iron surface. I've got thinly sliced chicken breast. I've got this seasoned with salt and pepper, and then we're gonna add a little granulated garlic, a little Italian rub to our Philly chicken, a little crushed red pepper flake, a little oregano or marjoram, a little granulated onion. He likes to go anywhere granulated garlic goes, and a little bit of thyme. So we toss this all together. We cook it in small batches in a single layer. I put my oil into a little squirt bottle so it's easy to just keep cranking these guys out. I'm gonna show you the special sauce when we come right back. Gino's down in Philly proper. So I'm taking off a batch of our super thinly sliced chicken for our chicken Phillies, equally delicious with boneless, skinless, shaved ribeye. I'm gonna throw a little more oil on my screaming hot cast iron griddle here and pile on another batch of that chicken with our Italian seasoning blend. I've got my sugary sweet onions cooking out over here, staying nice and moist in that little bit of water or stock that we add. Now, on down this way, I roasted up some peppers. I like to do a double cheese, deli sliced sharp provolone, and deli sliced mozz. All right, guys, for our chicken Philly, we do sharp provolone down one side, mild mozzarella down the other side. Then we're gonna add in our sweet sugary onions down one side. Lovely. Right down the middle, screaming hot Italian chicken. Thank you. Yes. Yes. Down the other side, roasted red peppers. Yes. And then up on top, some Italian hot cherry peppers. And a little chopped giardiniera, Italian hot pickle vegetable salad.